Woke up at 3 o'clock. Not really, because I didn't get any sleep. So alarm was set for 3. Got out of the bed, got everything loaded up into the car. We cut some lights on. Bags are back here. See what time it is. 3:27. Getting ready to leave. I have just short of a full tank of fuel, so I'm going to stop and get some fuel, and we'll be on the road. So the next video will be at the gas station. All right, first stop is being made. Got to put on a Nova Stretch to protect the paint from being splattered by bugs. Since I washed the car yesterday, I washed the Nova Stretch, and now I'm getting ready to put it on. Mrs. Lee went in the store to grab drinks, so I'm gonna put this on, and then we're going to get right back on the road. All right, Nova Stretch is on. This one is torn, but I do have a brand new one that they sent me. So I tore that one last week looking at houses, and the driveway that I was backing down on, it screwed up the whole Nova Stretch, but still going to use it. And when we get to Bowling Green, I will install the new one. But it does what it's supposed to do, and that's protect the front from bugs. So here at Quick Trip gas station, I don't get fuel here. I only get my fuel from Shell, and I want to say Marathon gas station. I'm bumping that Lecrae. Plan on bumping Lecrae the whole way through. Oh, I figured out I need to clean my window. My windshield is a little bit trashy, so I'm gonna clean that real quick. Anyway, stay tuned. Check it out. So a few minutes have only passed since I've recorded last, and I'm going ahead and filling up now. As you can see, I'm at the Shell getting that premium fuel, paying $3.34 a gallon for 93 octane. So that's all I run in my car is premium. But I got the Nova Stretch on, getting some fuel. I am tired, and I can definitely feel it as I'm driving. But you know what? I might be tired, but I'm a soldier, and I'm gonna get there, and we're gonna get there safe. You know why? Because God got us protected. So gas pump has stopped. I should be full of fuel right now. Pull that out of there like that. Put it up. $18.45 for 5 gallons. I'm gonna grab the receipt. So this is what you do when you want to get somewhere and you're on a mission, and I'm on a mission. Come on, gas pump, give me my receipt. Let's go. I'm waiting on the pump. I guess they don't want to give me a receipt. Yes, I want a receipt. All right. So about to hop back in the car. Got the windshield clean. I did clean the windshield. See you in a little bit.